Ever feel like your desk is a graveyard of crumpled receipts, invoices, and bank statements? You're not alone. Millions of small business owners struggle to keep their finances organized, especially when tax season rolls around. There's a reason why accounting software like QuickBooks has become so popular. It streamlines the entire financial process, from tracking income and expenses to creating invoices and generating reports. But here's the question that pops up for many. Is QuickBooks a one-time purchase? Or do I have to pay for it every year? Let's dive into the world of QuickBooks subscriptions and explore the different pricing options available. Understanding QuickBooks. Different flavors for different needs. First things first, QuickBooks isn't a single product. It's a suite of accounting software solutions designed for businesses of all sizes. From the basic QuickBooks Self-Employed to the robust QuickBooks Enterprise, each version offers a specific set of features tailored to your needs. Here's a quick breakdown of the most popular QuickBooks versions. QuickBooks Self-Employed. Ideal for freelancers and solopreneurs, it focuses on managing income and expenses, tracking mileage, and generating tax estimates. QuickBooks Online. A cloud-based solution perfect for small businesses. It allows you to create invoices, track expenses, send estimates, and collaborate with your accountant. QuickBooks Desktop. A downloadable version offering similar features to QuickBooks Online, but with more customization options. However, it requires installation and doesn't offer cloud storage. QuickBooks Premier caters to growing businesses with features like inventory management, advanced reporting, and project profitability tracking. QuickBooks Enterprise. The most comprehensive option, ideal for larger businesses with multiple users and complex accounting needs. The subscription model. Why you pay annually or monthly? Now, the answer to your burning question. Yes, for most QuickBooks versions, you'll need a subscription. Here's the reasoning behind it. Constant updates. Unlike a one-time purchase software, QuickBooks receives regular updates with new features, bug fixes, and improved security. With a subscription, you get access to these updates as soon as they become available. Cloud storage and accessibility. With QuickBooks Online, your data is securely stored in the cloud, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This eliminates the need for physical backups and ensures your information is always safe. Ongoing support. Subscriptions often include access to customer support, whether through phone, email, or online chat. This means you can get help whenever you need it, avoiding the frustration of troubleshooting on your own. Think of it like this. You wouldn't expect to buy a car and have it magically maintain itself forever, right? Software is similar. Subscriptions ensure you have the latest features, secure storage, and ongoing support to keep your finances running smoothly. Subscription options. Finding the sweet spot. Now, let's talk about the different subscription tiers within each QuickBooks version. Most offer options with varying features and user limits. For example, with QuickBooks Online, you might have a basic plan for 1 user, a mid-tier plan for 3 users, and an advanced plan for 5 users. The price increases as the features and user capacity expand. The key is to choose the plan that best suits your business needs. Don't overspend on features you won't use, but ensure you have enough power to handle your accounting volume. Many providers offer free trials, so take advantage of those to experiment and see which plan feels right. Alternatives to consider. Not everyone needs a subscription. While QuickBooks is a popular choice, it's not the only option out there. Here are a few alternatives to consider, depending on your needs. Free accounting software. Several free or freemium accounting software options exist, with limited features but suitable for basic bookkeeping needs. Spreadsheets. We all know the trusty spreadsheet. While effective for simple accounting, it can become cumbersome and error-prone as your business grows. Hire a bookkeeper. Outsourcing your accounting to a professional can be a great option, but it comes at a cost. Ultimately, the best solution depends on your budget, comfort level with technology, and the complexity of your finances. So, do you have to pay for QuickBooks every year? In most cases, yes, but it's a subscription model that offers ongoing value. You get access to the latest features, secure cloud storage, and reliable support. By understanding the different versions, subscription tiers, and alternative options, you can make an informed decision about managing your business finances.